If you want me to stand under the metal plate, maybe I'll just stand over here and then a little bit to the side. Yeah, so the Center for Computational Biology is really more of an umbrella organization for computational biologists on campus. So we have about 40 faculty members right now, and they come from many different departments: statistics, math, computer science, biostatistics, integrated biology, molecular cell biology, bioengineering, and I probably forgot one or two departments there. So from all over campus, and it was started back in 2004 as a new initiative center. So back then there was this initiative on campus to make these new initiative centers where you have where in certain areas that you make on certain focal areas, you would start these new centers that then also would recruit new faculty. So part of our mission is to recruit new faculty in computational biology, and they get actually hired into the center, so the FTE is in the center, but then they get appointments in departments, so they will do the teaching and the service also for departments, not only to the Center for Computational Biology. And I've been hired through that initiative. So you get hired first on campus, and then after you get hired, in some sense, you figure out which department should you be in when first you're here. Our activities today, in addition to recruiting new faculty, we run a graduate program. So we have a graduate program in computational biology that's just been started up a couple of years ago. So we have about 20 students now in computational biology, and we also for about 10 years been running a designated emphasis in computational biology. So students from other areas, statistics, computer science, biology, and so on, they can on the transcripts get a designated emphasis in computational biology. And if they accepted into that program, it also enables them to take part of all of our other activities. We run a seminar series, we have an annual retreat, for example, and we sometimes also support various activities by students in the center. So it's, in some sense, the Center for Computational Biology is really more of an umbrella for all the different faculty and activities on campus in computational biology, rather than it's a lab or a particular research program. So this is from our homepage up here, and there are different research projects represented. For example, some of the work done in Dan Roxar's group on sequencing the octopus genome, some work done in my group that has to do with human origins and how humans spread in the Americas. And then, for example, some work from one of our students, Kelly Harris, who published a paper in PNAS, where she showed that different human groups have different mutation rates. That's something that people thought wasn't true. But she showed that it's in fact true, that there are certain type of mutations that occur at a high rate only in Europeans and not in other groups. So these are some of the examples of research, but the research is very, very diverse because it involves 40 different faculty from all over campus. We're part of QB3, and as part of that, we also work together with the CGIL that I think I will also mention as part of this. The CGIL is the Computational Genomics Research Laboratory, which is located over in Koshland Hall. And there they have some computer facilities for people that are interested in doing computational genomics research, and also do consulting. So all the biology labs, when they have new data that's been produced, they have no idea how to handle it, they can go to the Computational Genomics Research Laboratory over there. And we work together with them on consulting for biologists on campus that need help with their computational needs. And that's all joined with the QB3. We are affiliated with, and CGL is also affiliated with. All right, so that was pretty much all I wanted to explain about the CCB, but I wonder if you have any questions about it. I mean, in some sense, we're trying to pick up all, make a place on campus where computational biologists can come to and can discuss science and interact. And also, for example, we try to spearhead various grant proposals and otherwise try to coordinate activities in computational genomics and computational biology more generally.